One problem we always have here at the Yugatech studio is storage. And no, we're not talking about space to put your stuff. If you watched our HQ tour, you know we have that. We're talking about storage space for video footage and assets. Whether it's A-rolls, B-rolls, B or C cam footage, shooting content and video on 4K eats up a lot of space. At the same time, it also takes up space on our computers. But thankfully, our friends over at Lexar sent us some new storage options for our cameras and even an SSD for our PC here at the Yugatech studio. So, what up guys, Miguel here, and join me as we upgrade our cameras and PCs with these new Lexar storage solutions. Roll OBB. Fun fact! The SD in SD card stands for Secure Digital. So starting off with the SD cards, we have these Lexar professional cards in various speeds and capacities. The Gold 2000 and 1800X are going into our main cameras, which are the Sony a7 III, which we use for shooting photos, B-rolls, and sometimes our B-cam, together with the A7R Mark II, which is our secondary A-roll cam ever so often. Alright, let's get into these cards. Starting off with the 2000X. Here we go. There's one. And okay, I will now cut this one open as well. I don't know why I'm cutting it so aggressively. And here is the 1800X. So let's put the 1800X in the A7R Mark II, like so. Perfect fit. And let's put the 2000X in. Oh, no more plastics. Is this card slot 1?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Baliktad. Yan.
Yeah.
Good, yan. Back. Ganyan. Yeah.
Why you make a fool out of me? Alright. Alright. Dapat may continuous shooting. Oh, preparing image database. Please wait. High speed continuous. Oh, I'm on movie mode.
They're good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the processed so fast. It's done. We decided to use the fastest cards we have or got since we use these two cameras to shoot at 4K, which takes up a lot of space. Our B-roll for a product review project can go from 20 gigs to 80 gigabytes in a skip of a beat. Bigger file sizes mean we have to wait longer for the SD card to process the footage, which is not something we want. But with an SD card like the 2000X and the 1800X, it's a lot faster and more efficient. At the same time, it's also future-proofing our gear. If we upgrade to more powerful cameras in the future like the A7S III or an FX30, which can record up to 4K at 60 frames per second or higher, like 120 frames per second slow motion, then we won't have to upgrade anymore. The 2000X is even rated for V90 speeds, meaning it can read and write some of the highest bitrate footage possible with 300 megabytes per second read and 260 megabytes per second write speeds. So, come on. As for the last SD card here, the 1066X, this one is going into the A7R2 Jose is using, which is being used to record this video. That's an older camera, and we're planning to retire it soon. So it's mainly used as a secondary B-roll camera when there are others using the A7 III. Aside from SD cards, Lexar also sent us some micro SD cards. We have the 1066X in micro SD card form, and these are going to be used in our GoPros and Insta360 cameras. We don't get to use them too often on the main channel, but these are staples on the Yuga Auto and Yuga Moto team channels. Let's install it. So aggressive. Oh, it got a case! Get a case with the micro SD because it comes with the adapter. Oh, and it locks.
Okay. Thank you.
Is this the right way? Alright. Interestingly, they also sent us 2 of these Fly micro SD cards, which are intended for drones as well as action cameras. We only have 1 drone here at the YugaTech studio. We're putting the 256GB card here so we can capture some amazing mountain footage in the future. Since we still have another card, it can also be used as a backup or redundancy. Anyway, so where's the drones?
I don't know, man.
So how are we gonna install this?
Blame the Yuga Auto or Moto team.
Damn it, Yuga Moto and Auto. Fucker, a drone! Or you know, someone might want to sponsor or lend us an FPV drone so we can shoot some crazy footage. Maybe a DJI Avata? Baka naman. Dude, we had a drone. Alright. Drone, check. SD card, check. Lexar! Boom. Now fly! Last but not least is something for our computer. You may not know about it, but Lexar does have storage devices for the computer. And they also sent us this M.2 NVMe SSD. It's a 1TB drive with 3,300 megabytes per second speeds, making it a great storage dump for everything we shoot here at the YugaTech studio. It's going into our main editing rig, which is slowing down because of all the files we dump into it. With the Lexar M.2 NVMe, it can keep going with no slowdowns. Oh, okay, maybe we'll just install it another time, because clearly Kaloy is still editing.
What time is it? It's 10 o'clock.
It's 10 PM, Kaloy! Why the heck are you still editing in the studio? But you know, here's what it looks like. And hey, okay.
Lexar SSD is the best.
And that's about it for this video. We've upgraded all our cameras to Lexar gear, allowing us to film for longer. At the same time, it's a future-proof solution too. If you're looking to upgrade your camera's SD card or even find an additional M.2 SSD for your PC, why not check out Lexar's offerings? They have a wide range of SD cards available to suit your needs. What do you guys think of Lexar's storage solutions? What do you guys think about the brand? Is it, you know, one of those cost-efficient but really awesome in terms of performance brands for storage solutions? Or do you prefer something else? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you found this video fun, informative, or educational, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you and you in the next one. Get yourself some Lexar SD cards, man! A7 III, which we use for shooting photos, B-rolls. He looked at me like I was wrong. I'm so sorry. I thought I grabbed the wrong camera. Together with Jose's A7R Mark II. Is this not yours?
It's your lens. I got confused. That's the office lens.
Okay, let's just start from the top.
Is that the office's lens?
Yeah.
I've never seen that in my whole life. Is that the 80?
Sorry, my friends used the SanDisk. And I'm editing, whatever. My gift ka na.
No.
Okay, let's redo that. Damn it. Imagine if it blocked the screen. It would have been so badass. Good?
Oh, I almost tripped with it. Kita naman siya.